When we think of life on Earth, we tend to picture the big and the visible, lush green forests, powerful animals like elephants or lions, and, of course, humans. But what if I told you that the most important organisms on our planet are ones we can't even see? Microbes, tiny organisms like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa, are the foundation of life as we know it. They've been around for billions of years, shaping ecosystems, influencing human health, and even driving the cycles that sustain our planet. Today, we're going to dive into the hidden world of microbes and uncover just how vital these tiny organisms are to everything around us and within us. Let's start with a little context. Microbes are incredibly ancient, dating back over 3.5 billion years. They were among the first life forms to appear on Earth, thriving in an environment that was vastly different from what we know today. Without oxygen, without complex ecosystems, microbes dominated the planet in ways that eventually paved the way for more advanced life forms, including us. What's fascinating is that microbes exist in nearly every corner of the Earth. They're in the soil beneath your feet, the water you drink, the air you breathe, and even extreme environments like boiling hot springs, deep-sea hydrothermal vents, and frozen tundras. Some have even been found on the International Space Station, surviving the harsh conditions of outer space. This adaptability is one of the reasons microbes have persisted for billions of years, evolving alongside the planet and playing critical roles in its ecosystems. One of the most important roles microbes play is in the nitrogen cycle. Plants and animals, including humans, rely on nitrogen for survival. It's a key component of DNA, proteins, and other molecules essential for life. But here's the catch. Most of the nitrogen on Earth is in the atmosphere, in a form that plants and animals can't use. Enter nitrogen-fixing bacteria, specialized microbes that convert atmospheric nitrogen into forms that plants can absorb through their roots. Without these bacteria, plants couldn't grow, and without plants, there would be no animals or humans. The entire food chain depends on this microbial activity. Speaking of food chains, let's talk about the ocean. Microbes are the unsung heroes of marine ecosystems. Phytoplankton, tiny photosynthetic organisms, are responsible for producing over 50% of the oxygen in Earth's atmosphere. That's right, more than half of the oxygen you breathe doesn't come from trees or rainforests, but from these microscopic organisms floating in the ocean. In addition to oxygen production, phytoplankton form the base of the marine food web, supporting everything from tiny fish to massive whales. Without microbes like phytoplankton, marine ecosystems and life on Earth would collapse. Now let's zoom in even closer, this time on ourselves. Did you know that your body is home to trillions of microbes? In fact, there are more microbial cells in and on your body than there are human cells. This collection of microorganisms is known as the human microbiome, and it plays a crucial role in your health. Take your gut, for example. The bacteria in your digestive system help break down food, absorb nutrients, and produce essential vitamins like B12 and K. These microbes also play a critical role in your immune system, teaching it to recognize harmful invaders while leaving beneficial microbes alone. And it doesn't stop there. Emerging research suggests that your gut microbiome might even influence your mood, behavior, and mental health. Conditions like anxiety, depression, and even autism spectrum disorders have been linked to the composition of gut bacteria. But not all microbes are our friends. Pathogenic microbes, those that cause disease, have had a significant impact on human history. Think about the Black Death, which wiped out millions of people in the Middle Ages, or modern outbreaks like COVID-19. These events remind us of the power and potential danger of microbes. Yet even these harmful organisms have a role to play. They drive scientific innovation and have helped us develop life-saving antibiotics and vaccines. Penicillin, the first widely used antibiotic, was derived from a mold, a type of fungus. Microbes also have incredible applications beyond medicine. In agriculture, they're used as natural pesticides and to improve soil fertility. In environmental science, microbes are employed in bioremediation, where they break down pollutants like oil spills, plastic waste, or even radioactive materials. Scientists are also exploring the use of microbes to produce biofuels, offering a more sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. Imagine a future where tiny organisms power your car or your home. One of the most exciting areas of microbial research today is synthetic biology. By engineering microbes, scientists can create organisms that perform specific tasks, like producing insulin for diabetes treatment or creating biodegradable plastics. These advances have the potential to revolutionize industries ranging from healthcare to manufacturing, offering solutions to some of the biggest challenges we face as a society. Despite their importance, microbes remain misunderstood by many. People often associate them with dirt, disease, and decay, overlooking the fact that most microbes are beneficial, or even essential, to life. Educating ourselves about microbes can help us appreciate their value and make better decisions about how we interact with the natural world. Microbes also teach us an important lesson about interconnectedness. They show us that even the smallest organisms can have a massive impact. The nitrogen cycle, oxygen production, human health, and even technological innovation, all of these depend on the actions of microbes. In a way, they're the invisible architects of life on Earth. So the next time you wash your hands, take a bite of food, or breathe in fresh air, think about the microbes that make it all possible. These tiny organisms may be invisible to the naked eye, but their influence is everywhere. They're in the soil that grows your food, the water that sustains you, and even inside your body, keeping you alive and healthy. Microbes are a reminder that the world is far more complex and interconnected than it seems. By studying and understanding these tiny organisms, we not only learn more about life on Earth, but also gain insights into solving some of humanity's greatest challenges. The hidden world of microbes is a testament to the idea that big things come in small packages. From shaping ecosystems to advancing technology, these tiny organisms are the unsung heroes of our planet. So, the next time you hear the word microbe, don't think of something insignificant. Think of the foundation of life itself.